Fatty liver disease is a global epidemic. It practically affects all countries around the world. And if you look at the United States, there are over 35% of the population that have fatty liver.
We're very excited to talk to you today about Oramed and our positive NASH trial results. We're very encouraged by the data being presented today and the potential for our therapy to be used in multiple ways in large patients population. Oramed has an innovative technology platform focused on developing oral delivery solution for drugs currently only available via an injection. We believe that ORMD-0801 has the potential to be the first commercial oral insulin product for the treatment of patients with diabetes and NASH, serious conditions with a few treatment options.
NASH is a slow-growing process. It develops over decades. A patient who started therapy when he's 30 years old will require to take the drug for 40 or 50 years. This drug must be safe. Unfortunately, many of the compounds currently being tested have a lot of question marks with regard to their long-term safety. So you cannot approve a drug that has a safety concern for patients to take it over 30 or 40 years.
The study was not powered to detect statistically significant differences, and therefore, we're really interested in looking at the patterns in the data. The primary objective of safety was met with no serious adverse events. The secondary objective of reducing liver fat content in patients with NASH and type 2 diabetes, we saw a placebo-adjusted mean decrease in the whole liver and a placebo-adjusted mean decrease of 10.87 for segment 3 on the left lobe.
I would like to highlight several of these significant trends that come out of the data. The first is the high safety profile. The second important point is that the drug reduces fat in the liver. And the third important factor is that based on the FibroScan data, the drug reduces liver fibrosis, which is the primary endpoint for the FDA NASH trial, within a very short period of time. These patients were treated for only 12 weeks and we already saw signs of reversal of fibrosis, which is quite remarkable, even if we compare it to all other drugs that are being tested for fibrosis. This is just one of the 8 segments of the liver, but it really proved that there is a biological effect here. When you look at a specific segment and you see such a major reduction in the amount of fat in a large proportion of the patients on the drug compared to the placebo, it really gives us confidence that we are looking at a real biological effect.
And one of the things that impressed me the most about this compound was the fact that it is clearly the most physiologic way of treating fatty liver, NASH, and for that matter, type 2 diabetes. Treating it directly at the source of the problem is always the best way in terms of efficacy and safety, and I think that's exactly what we're doing here.